Good morning, students. Today we are going to see redemption of debentures chapter, last part, past examination questions and TYK questions. Question number 3, question number 4. I think we have not completed these questions in last session. This is batch number 6, and I already told you in this batch we are going to see past examination questions plus questions which are not covered in batch number 5. So this is a mixture of recorded session plus live session. Your question answers will be solved in this batch number 6 because we have lack of time. Students, I hope you have completed your homework and past recorded sessions of batch number 5 in these 2-3 days and your Diwali के मैं वापस एक बार शुभकामनाएं देता हूं आपको. तो दिवाली का आज लास्ट डे है और आप लोगों ने दिवाली अभ्यास स्टडी जो है आपने किया ही रहेगा और ये पूरी दिवाली आपकी अच्छी हुई रहेगी पर विथ योर होमवर्क्स. ओके, सो चलो दिवाली के बाद वापस से मैं आप सबका एक बार वेलकम करता हूं. सो वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन दिस बैच नंबर 6. सो बेटा वी हैव कंप्लीटेड debentures, all pro formas in last session. So good morning to all of you. Once again, some traditional rules and modern approach before starting any session. So traditional approach, as you are aware, our accounts are divided in 2 parts, traditional approach and modern approach. दिवाली में कोई भूल नहीं गया होगा ऐसा मैं assume करता हूँ. So traditional approach, your rules are debit the debtor, credit the creditor for personal and debit the receiver for give and credit the giver. Debtor वापस becomes giver and creditor becomes receiver. Real account debit what comes in, credit what goes out, and nominal account debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. In balance sheet, liabilities and assets are carried. So liability is showing credit balance, asset is showing debit balance, income is showing credit balance, expenditure is showing debit balance, and your capital account is also showing credit balance. So this is modern approach. Asset is minus liability is equal to capital. Income minus expenses is equal to profit. So friends, after understanding this, your balance sheet pro forma, because we are here completing company accounts ka part 2. Company accounts already you covered in the foundation, that is issue of share capital and issue of debentures. Now here we are, first we have completed bonus shares, then redemption of preference shares, and this is a third topic which is related to company, which is redemption of debentures. Friends, balance sheet pro forma is very important. So your balance sheet pro forma daily you have to revise equity and liability, shareholder funds, share capital, reserves and surplus, non-current liability, long-term borrowing, deferred tax liability, other long-term liability, long-term provisions, current liability, short-term borrowing, trade payable, other current liability, short-term provisions, asset side, non-current assets, property, plant and equipment, intangible assets, deferred tax, intangible assets, capital WIP, intangible assets under development, non-current investment, deferred tax asset, long-term loans and advances, other non-current assets, current assets, CIT, CSO, current investment, inventory, trade receivable, cash and cash equivalent, short-term loans and advances, other current assets. So this balance sheet pro forma is important to cover at intermediate level because you are asked to prepare balance sheet. Yes, beta. Good morning to all of you. Rishabh Agarwal ji, Kashyap ji, Sudhanshu Panda ji, Rashmi, Nanesh, good morning beta. Gomnath, Gomti ji, Rishabh Agarwal, and Shambhabi ji. Lavish Singhvi is asking me, sir, by March all subjects are getting over. Yes beta, all subjects. राइट इशू पेंडिंग है. ज्ञानेश इंग्रे जी, इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट में हम लोग राइट इशू का पेंडिंग पार्ट देख लेंगे. इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट्स. हेलो सर, गुड मॉर्निंग. दीपांशु बोल रहे हैं. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने गुड मॉर्निंग बोला है. सो गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. चलिए, सो आज का सेशन का शुरुआत करते विथ टीवाई के नंबर 3 बिकॉज टुडे वी हैव टू कंप्लीट पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस. सो पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमें ये चाहिए. So this is a first class with you, beta. Rifat Jabin ji, first class hoga, but I think you have completed your past sessions. In next session, we are going to see investment chapter. So your target in batch number 5, you have to complete investment chapter. I think investment chapter in the past is divided in 2 parts. One is investment in debentures and second one is investment in equity shares. So today I will give you some targets For investment chapter, you will complete it till Friday. Till Friday, you have to complete your investment chapter recorded sessions, at least first session of investment. Then I will take a revision in next session, and we will complete past examination questions in on Monday. Okay, so Friday you will complete your basics till Friday. Some part which is remaining, which is not understood in recorded one, that you are going to ask me on Friday, and on Monday we are going to take past examination questions. Any, yes, are you enjoying this recorded plus live batches better? Because this is free of cost, and I'm again telling you, you are lucky students, because in this batch we are not completing only our module questions, but we are taking past examination questions. So I am expecting 60 plus marks in your from your batch. Okay, every one of you, I'm expecting 60 plus marks, whatever amendments that we will cover here. Okay, so can you tell me it in comment section? Are you finding it's easy now, or still you are finding it's difficult? Okay, चलिए जल्दी से मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिए, आर यू फाइंडिंग इट्स इजी और डिफिकल्ट? ओके, प्रणव जी सेइंग सर लिटिल हेक्टिक, वो तो होने वाला है भाई। पुणे के बैचेस सुबह 7 बजे शुरू होते, 6 बजे तक बच्चा तो परेशान हो चुका है, तो हेक्टिक तो होने वाला है बेटा प्रणव। तो थोड़ा सा सीए कोर्स है, 8 सब्जेक्ट्स मैनेज करने रहेंगे या 4 सब्जेक्ट्स भी मैनेज करने हैं, तो बेटा थोड़ा तो हार्डवर्क करना पड़ेगा। ओके sir, I have a doubt that why don't we pass the entry for payment of preference dividend in the last year at the time of redemption of preference shares, as if we do not have passed the entry for that beta, because we are not focusing on preference dividend passing entry. We are focusing on redemption of preference shares. So it's very simple beta. You don't have to think about the preference dividend. We already paid that dividend, and we assume that dividend is already paid and entry was already passed. Okay, so entry is already passed, that we have to assume. ठीक है, I completed all module questions except TYK 4. Okay, ठीक है, चलिए. So now we are here to solve TYK number 3 question. So I will tell you how to complete it. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा टाइम से जाएंगे, एंड टुडेज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, देन टिकटिकी जी तो है ही हमारे साथ, सो टिकटिकी जी को बाद में लेके आएंगे. सो अभी ये क्वेश्चन के लिए, यस, यू हैव टू राइट इट इन योर नोटबुक, बिकॉज इन आई थिंक इन द लास्ट बैच वी हैव नॉट कंप्लीटेड दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, on 1st April 2001 in MK Limited's unlisted companies, so better 10% and 15%, 10% of debentures and 15% of DRR investment. 9% debentures appeared with an opening balance of 50 lakhs divided into 50,000 and 100 rupees each. Okay, ठीक है. So बेटा, yes, ये लिया था क्या क्वेश्चन पास्ट में से? It has a credit balance. It has a credit balance. Interest on debentures was paid half yearly on 30th September and 31st March. Okay. So balance sheet date, you can write balance sheet date is equal to interest payment date. Balance sheet date is equal to interest payment date. So no opening and closing balance. Okay. On 31st May 2001, the company purchased 8,000 debentures, own debentures, 98 rupees per debenture. On the same date, it cancelled these debentures. Okay, it cancelled these debentures. You're required to prepare necessary ledger accounts. ठीक है. Now, how many columns you're going to? Yes, right. How many columns? चलो, so बना लीजिए. I will tell you the shortcut of this question. तो बना लीजिए जल्दी से. MK Limited 9% debentures account. MK Limited 9% debentures account. चलिए बनाइए. Columns are date, particulars, face value, interest cost, date, particulars, face value, interest cost. Prepare on 2 pages. Prepare on 2 pages. Prepare on 2 pages. Date, left side, debit side, right side, credit side. DRR account, 6 lines. And DRR investment account, 6 lines. So 3 accounts you have to write. Please tell me over. After writing this, please tell me over. Beta DRR 6 lines and DRR investment 6 lines and 9% debentures beta half page. 9% debentures half page. Half page 9% debentures. No beta, Nehal, today I am going to tell you only redemption of debentures. चलिए, so start. Date 1st April over 1st April 2001. Buy balance brought down. 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs. ICI has prepared face value in study material. We have interest column separately. 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Okay. Now question is, sir, what about DRR account? As DRR account is not prepared, so we will assume on 1st of April, this is by P&L account. Yes, beta percentage. This is the hidden entry. Hidden entry. That we have 10% of debentures in DRR account. This is hidden entry. And again, one hidden entry on 1st April as nothing is given. So we will assume we have to invest. So beta, this is like rectification, which we are doing on 1st of April. So DRR investment, we will invest 50 lakhs into 15%, 7,50,000. Okay. So any question till now? Any question till now? ठीक है? अरे any question? ठीक है. So अब तक जिंदगी आसान है. So hidden entry we understood. TYK 3. Sir, how hidden entries? Pranav is asking. Beta Pranav, hidden entries why? Because it is an unlisted company. So you have to invest. Mandatory, there is investment of 15% and 10% in DRR. So beta, this is hidden entry. We do not have any other option. Prakash Kumar ji, good morning beta. अब तक का पूरा समझ में आया. So hidden entries वहां पे रहेगी. No doubts in till now. Okay. So beta, this is mandatory. Hidden entries करना mandatory है. Those students who have completed their foundation, I'm telling you in this batch number 6, if you are foundation route student, so you are better. One of the difficult result जो आया था उसमें से पास हुए वाले स्टूडेंट हो आप, और मैं आप सबको ये शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ क्योंकि पास बैच का रिजल्ट जो था वो अच्छा था, बट ये लास्ट पेपर ओनली लास्ट फाउंडेशन बैच ओनली 25% was the result. So you are lucky people beta, you completed your foundation in whatever the attempt, but one of the difficult ones. So मैं आप सबको मतलब आप सब होशियार हो ये मुझे पता है, सिर्फ हार्डवर्क करना आपके हाथ में है. हार्डवर्क करोगे तो अच्छा फल मिलेगा. एंड आई नो कि आप लोग ये भूलने वाले हो पास्ट में जाके, ये सब डिफिकल्ट जाता है, बट वन टेक्निक आई एम गिविंग यू दैट एवरी टाइम प्लीज रिवाइज इट बिफोर starting any chapter. Revise all 3 chapters, then this is learning curve effect. So first time you will take some extra time, better 20 minutes, 25 minutes, but now if you recall bonus shares after every 7 days, you are not going to forget a single line. So bonus shares, hardly it will take 5 minutes to revise all these things. So in next section I will tell you how to revise previous chapters before starting investment accounts. Okay. So give 10 to 15 minutes for your revision, but that revision is really very important for your examination purpose. Okay. चलिए. So DRR account. यहां तक सबको समझ में आया है. ओके. चलिए. नाउ DRR अकाउंट हो गया, ये हो गया. चलिए अभी मैं कहां पे हूं, तो क्वेश्चन में सो नाउ इंटरेस्ट का हो गया पॉइंट. कंपनी परचेस 8,000 डिबेंचर्स ऑफ ओन डिबेंचर्स ऑफ 98 पर डिबेंचर. सो 98. चलिए आ जाइए. 31 मई टू own debentures. See the data entry. See, entry is entry. I'm telling you what is the entry. Own debentures account debit to bank account. See, own debentures are always recorded at cost. Okay, own debentures we record it at cost, and then entry is debentures account debit to own debentures. Okay, debentures account debit to own debentures. Immediately we are going to cancel this own debentures, and this cancellation is at, this is at face value. Own debentures are recorded at cost, and what whatever profit is a balancing figure. Okay. So face value, cost, and profit. So 31st May, to own debentures. How many own debentures beta we bought? 8,000. ABCD sequence, 8 lakhs. B, 8 lakhs into 9%. And see, when we bought this on 31st May. So beta after 2 months. After 2 months from interest rate. So interest is of 2 months. So 8 lakhs into 9% divided by 6. I'm getting answer 12,000. Now C, inner column, at X interest. X interest, C, 8,000 into 98. Don't consider interest, don't deduct interest. So 8,000 into 98. $7,84,000. So 7,84,000. Immediately I will write to profit on cancellation. In the balancing figure, this is 8 lakhs minus 76,000. So beta face value of rupees 8 lakh, I bought it at 7,84,000. So I'm in profit. Okay. Why I'm in profit? Because 8 lakh rupees liability is I'm cancelling it by 7,84,000 in market. I'm getting at 98. So 2 rupees is my profit per debenture multiplied by 8,000 debenture. I'm in profit of 16,000. I'm in profit of 16,000. It's very simple. My liability is getting cancelled. Don't worry, beta. This chapter is really easy. Okay. Now, on the same day, it is cancelled. Okay. We will assume, oh my God, one thing, yes, that we made a mistake. Okay. No, it's correct. So redemption entries we have completed. Now, beta, what is about interest entries? Now you cancel it. Okay. Now ICI wants you should pass interest entry. Now, what is the next sequence date beta? So the see. We wrote opening balances. Barabar hai? So I'm telling you the sequence, opening balances. So you can write it in index, opening balances. But in that, what is the hidden entry? Yes. Can you tell me it in the comment section while writing opening balances? What is the hidden entries? How many hidden entries are there? How many hidden entries? After that, own debentures, ABCD sequence, plus profit. Huh? Then third one is interest entries. And fourth one is closing balances. So problem is very easy. How many hidden entries are there, beta? Yes. Two hidden entries. Two hidden entries. DRR and DRR investment. Very good. This is 10%. This is 15%. Very good, beta. Very good. There are two hidden entries. No, beta. Nehal, DRR and DRR investment. I'm asking about opening balances. So first you have to write opening balances and two hidden entries are there. Chaliye. 31st May, we have finished. Now on 30th September. To bank. See beta. To bank. Now you left with only 42 lakhs debentures. You left with only 8 lakhs we cancelled now. 50 lakhs में से 8 lakhs cancelled हुआ. We bought it from the market and 42 lakhs we left with. But see, now on 42 lakhs, you are going to pass entry for 9% into 6 months from April to September. April to September. So 42 lakhs into 9% divided by 2. This is 1,89,000. And again, you are passing entry on 31st of March to bank. Same 42 lakhs into 9% into 6 by 12. But this time October to March. Interest is October to March. 1,89,000. It's very simple. It's very simple, sir. See, now on. Oh, okay. I think interest entries, not closing balances. DRR account we left with. So whenever we are passing entry, I think in DRR, now there is no need for 8 lakhs rupees. Okay. So 8 lakhs rupees, there is no need. So I forgot this entry. So red pen, beta, red pen. I forgot this entry. To general reserve. On 31st May, to general reserve, I want to cancel. Oh. General reserve, I am cancelling. Out of 8 lakhs, I will transfer because I bought that debenture. So this is again hidden entry. So 10% of 8 lakhs, you are going to cancel. So this is 80,000. 80,000 you are cancelling. And on 31st May, you will sell 15% of debentures. We will assume that. Now these are pure assumptions. Into 8 lakhs. This is 1,20,000. So there is no need of 8 lakhs. Beta. So when you are own debentures cancelled, DRR also transferred to general reserve and DRR investment sold. So these are hidden entries with number 2. Yes, any doubt? देखो हमारा डीआरआर रखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. 15% डीआरआर हमने कैंसिल कर दिया. सर काई को रखना है ना 10% डीआरआर कैंसिल किया एंड 15% डीआरआर इन्वेस्टमेंट बेच दिया. कितना? 8 lakhs का 10% एंड 8 lakhs का. हाँ, सो ओन डिवेंचर्स कैंसल्ड ₹8 lakhs. तो उसका 10% हमने जनरल रिजर्व में ट्रांसफर किया एंड 15% हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट में बेच दिया. इट्स वेरी सिंपल सर. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो हिडन. चलिए, एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर क्लोजिंग. चलो क्लोज कर दो. Now closing time. It's a closing time, beta. First close debentures 31st March. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. To balance carried down 42 lakhs. Star mark. And on P&L, beta, by P&L, 12 plus 189 plus 189. In P&L, I will transfer 3,90,000. Correct, che? 50 lakh, 50 lakhs, 3,90,000. To balance carried down 4,20,000. By balance carried down 6,30,000. Okay. Finish, beta. So this is TYK number 3. Any doubt in this TYK 3? So what is important in this question? Okay. What is important in this question, beta? DRR entries. Yes, beta. If it is listed company, see, if it is unlisted company, 10% is mandatory. If it is listed company, only 15%. There is no need of 10%. Nanesh Ingreji. So in module, most of the questions are of own debentures. So remaining methods are coming or they are not so important. Beta, own debentures is only important ना. ICI टफ क्या करेगा? मैक्सिमम टफ जो रहेगा वो ओन डिबेंचर्स ही रहेगा. Now TYK 4. See, same question is asked, I think. Sir, why not to open own debentures account? Yes, beta. Immediately cancel. Good question. Jyotiza, own debentures is not open because it is immediately cancelled. Good question. Next one. Sir, module में 4 accounts maintain किए हैं. ऋषभ अग्रवाल जी. Yes, beta. Yes, that also I will show you. Module में 4 accounts क्यों? Debentures account. It is always at face value. So we prepared face value column. सेपरेट अकाउंट फॉर इंटरेस्ट. सो मॉड्यूल में इंटरेस्ट का सेपरेट अकाउंट फॉलो किया है, बट वी आर मेंटेनिंग दैट एबीसीडी सीक्वेंस. सो इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट वी मेड इट इमीडिएट बेसिस पे. एंड थर्ड अकाउंट डीआरआर एंड डीआरआर इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग टू सेपरेट अकाउंट्स, आई हैड प्रिपेयर्ड ओनली वन अकाउंट, 2 कॉलम्स. सो बेटा ऋषभ, कौन सा इजी है तू ही बता मुझे. सर प्लीज टेक TYK 2 ऑल्सो. बेटा लास्ट सेशन में ही हो गया. निकिता, लास्ट सेशन में आप एब्सेंट थे क्या बेटा? लास्ट सेशन में कंप्लीट करवाया है निकिता. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. सार्थक, सर इन मॉड्यूल दे हैव प्रिपेयर्ड इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट सेपरेटली. तो ये मैंने आंसर ऑलरेडी दिया. sir, do we need to prepare own debentures ledger? Beta, if specifically asked, if it is immediately cancelled, why to prepare it separately? Okay, Muhammad Aslam, already covered your query. Other student, हर्षित जायसवाल, सर आपका इजी है, सर आपका इजी है. अरे बेटा, हर्षित और ऋषभ का सेम आंसर आया कमेंट सेक्शन में. आपका ही मेथड इजी है. ओके, यस ऋषभ, वेरी गुड बेटा. ટીવાય કે 4 easy છે, difficult છે? I have to take it or you will do by your own? कर लेना है? चलो कर लेते हैं. सेम क्वेश्चन छे. सर प्लीज एक्सप्लेन एबीसीडी सीक्वेंस. ओके बेटा, ए फॉर फेस वैल्यू में लिखेंगे whatever cancelled amount. B, we will calculate interest. C, inner column. Beta, please watch my previous sessions. And D, beta, cost column. A, B, C, D. You will understand it in this question now. Question number 4. आप मेरे पहले के सेशंस देख नहीं रहे हो. आलोक बोल रहे कि टिकटिकी टेक्निक से कीजिए. ओके, चलिए. आजकल क्या है, आप लोगों को है ना कुछ करने की इच्छा ही नहीं होती है. टाइम पास करना सिर्फ आता है हम स्टूडेंट्स को. अभी ये एबीसीडी का सीक्वेंस दिया मैंने, सब कुछ करके दिया, बट मुझे पता नहीं आप लोगों को ये क्यों नहीं करना है. थोड़ी सी तो इज्जत रखो फैकल्टी की. डिफिकल्टीज तो रहने वाले हैं, पर यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस डिफिकल्टीज. पर हम लोग सुबह 7 बजे कौन उठेगा सर, दिवाली चल रही है, त्योहार बनाएंगे. अरे भाई, सीए कोर्स है तो पूरा डेडिकेशन लगेगा. बेटा, मैं पूरे दिवाली में किधर भी मेरे, ये पूरा दिवाली मेरा इस बार का काम में गया. ओके, तो अभी कमाने का टाइम है मेरा. तो हर एक को अपने अपना ये पता होना चाहिए कर्तव्य. अभी मैं मेहनत करूंगा तो मेरा रिटायरमेंट लाइफ इजी जाएगा. अभी मैं मेहनत नहीं करूंगा तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा. ये भी मैं आपको लोगों को भी बोलता हूं. अभी मेहनत करोगे तो अगले 25-30 साल अच्छे जाने वाले हैं. I have seen many students, they left their CA course after beta 2-3 years. It's a waste of time. So I will tell you why students are getting failed, because they are not practicing it properly. They have negativity towards study. They always think, yes, this is very difficult that I am doing it. So beta, this is nothing difficult. It's pure common sense. Your syllabus is pure common sense. This is nothing difficult. I have seen many students who cleared. They are very average students, but still they cleared their exam in first or second attempt. Attempts, I won't say average student, it's okay that you are taking attempts. But beta, after one attempt, if you are not serious about your study and still you are doing the same mistake, it is of no use. So I will always tell you, first attempt is always a best attempt. And it is not first attempt, it is exam. अटेम्प्ट उनको लगते हैं जो टफ, जो फेल होने वाले. हमारे लिए फेल तो सवाल ही नहीं आता. फर्स्ट एग्जाम इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम फॉर अस. वी विल गिव अवर 100% फॉर दैट एग्जाम. बट नहीं, लेते ही नहीं सीरियसली. सर के साथ रहेंगे 2 घंटे तब सीरियस रहते. 7 to 9:30 ओके. एंड उसमें से भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स, सर आई विल वॉच दिस सेशन आफ्टरवर्ड्स कभी आता नहीं है. अभी के अभी करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो ये आफ्टरवर्ड्स वाले जो बच्चे ना कि यस वी विल डू इट आफ्टरवर्ड्स, नहीं होता है. अरे मेरा खुद का नहीं होता है, मैं भी बोलता हूँ चलो आज देख लूंगा. अरे नहीं होता. मेरे नोट्स भी निकालने रह के तो मुझे क्लास के बाद तुरंत बैठना पड़ता है. एंड नाउ आई डू नॉट हैव टू वर्क वेरी हार्ड बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड दैट प्लेटफॉर्म. So before now you can see I already prepared all these notes first in batch number 1 only. After that it's very easy for me. Now this is batch number 6. So I do not have to prepare it always. Okay, now I have to work hard toward new course. अभी new course जब आएगा तब मुझे बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज के लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करके मेरे नोट्स बनाने पड़ेंगे और अच्छा देना पड़ेगा. प्रैक्टिकल सिनेरियो देना पड़ेगा. नाउ दिस इज हाउ आई हैव टू वर्क हार्ड फॉर माय नेक्स्ट बैचेस. ओके, बट आप लोग तो लेते ही नहीं सीरियसली. कोई बात नहीं. एंड दिस इज ओनली द रीजन फिर फेल होते हो. चलिए बेटा, आलोक मैं सबके लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूं. देयर आर सम स्टूडेंट्स Okay. YZ Limited, an unlisted company. Okay, unlisted company means here you have to write 10% of DRR and 15% of DRR investment. Had issued 16,000, 12% debentures, 100 each outstanding. So बेटा कितना lakhs का debentures छे? 16 lakhs. On 1st April, their balances in investment 2,000. So बेटा more than 16 lakhs का 2,000 means 2 lakhs. So more than बेटा 1 lakh 10% से ज्यादा ही है, 15% से. And DRR investment बेटा, DRR investment कितलो छे? DRR investment is 16 lakhs का 10%, so 1,60,000. So here 60,000 मुझे और लेना पड़ेगा, 16,000 P&L appropriation opening balance में. So extra 60,000 I need. So this is hidden entry. 2,000 own debentures were purchased at price of 99 and cancelled on the same day. Okay. So own debentures we cancelled on the same day. Okay, sir, understood. So 31st March. 31st March means पूरा 12 months का interest आएगा. Full 12 months interest. ABCD में B for 12 months. And on 30th March 2002, the investment were realized at par and debentures were redeemed. Okay, sir. So 12% debentures redemption reserve and debentures redemption investment account. Sir, same question is there, but what is new in this question? What is new? All investments on 30th March, debentures were redeemed. Okay, sir, last question में 2 balance carried down था. So question number 3 and question number 4 में what is the difference? Only 8 lakhs were redeemed. Okay, only 8 lakhs out of 50 lakhs. So you left with 42 lakhs as a balance carried down. But here all debentures are redeemed. Okay. So what is the difference between question number 3 and question number 4? So there only 8 lakhs were redeemed. Here all debentures were redeemed. Okay. So all debentures were redeemed. Yes, beta. Very good, Harshit. चलो स्टार्ट करना है. यस बाय टिकटिकी जी. सर बेटा ओके ओके. सो 16 लाख का 15%. ओके 16 lakhs का 2,40,000. सो बेटा 40,000 का भी इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. यस 40,000 इन्वेस्टमेंट इज हिडन. 40,000 इन्वेस्टमेंट इज हिडन. बेटा 15% यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट. सो हमें इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. चलो prepare same columns and tell me over like illustration number 3. illustration number 3 के ही सभी columns को complete कीजिए and tell me over. All same half page of debentures, 8 lines of DRR and 8 lines of investment. Eight lines of debentures, DRR. And after that, we will take a break. Break के बाद हम लोग तुरंत मिलेंगे. Yes, बेटा, क्या लेके मिलेंगे हम लोग? Sir, new course will be implemented in which year? बेटा नवंबर 2023 पकड़ के चलिए. हाँ जी बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं हर्ष. चलो ओवर बोल देना ड्रॉ होने के बाद ओवर बोल दो. क्या दीपिका, पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स के साथ मिलेंगे सर? ओके, ब्रेक के बाद. हाँ, 10 मिनट ब्रेक. हम्म. ओवर बेटा. ब्रेक के लिए 10 से 15 मिनट तो चाय रखने को बोल देता हूँ. ओके, सो ब्रेक के बाद बहुत ही अच्छे से हमें करना है. चलो ठीक ठीक है जी, ब्रेक के बाद लगाता हूँ. चलो जल्दी से ओवर 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 सर, ओवर सर. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट वन, 1 अप्रैल 2001. बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. कैन यू टेल मी द अमाउंट? यस, 16 lakhs. 16 लाख का बैलेंस था शुरुआत में. 16 lakhs in cost column, 16 lakhs in face value. Similarly, DRR. Now, DRR, what is plus, what is minus, beta? How to think? DRR, credit plus, debit minus. On 1st April, it's given in the question. First April, DRR, beta. What is the balance? DRR 1 lakh. Okay, so DRR by balance brought down. By balance brought down 1 lakh. And what is DRR investment balance, beta? Should I ask you questions? DRR investment balance. Yes, beta, what you are going to write? What you are going to write and where? चलो comment section में बताइए फटाफट. चलो give answers now. Yes, very good. Debit plus credit minus. 2 balance brought down. And what you are going to write over here? Two lakhs. Correct? Hai? Debit plus credit minus. Now DRR account hidden entry on 1st April itself. Very good, beta. Very good. On 1st April itself, hidden entry by P&L appropriation, or by P&L you can write DRR is 10% into 16 lakhs. But out of this, you already created 1 lakh. So extra balance is beta 60,000. Extra balance ketlo che 60,000. DRR investment beta 2 lakhs into, sorry, it's a 15% minus sorry, it's 2 lakhs क्यों लिया मैंने? 16 lakhs into 15% minus 2 lakhs. So this is again 40,000. Correct? Hai? On the same day, you have to pass this entry. Sorry, 16 lakh ka 15% minus 2 lakhs. So this is new in this question. Now, on 31st of March, on 31st of March to own debentures. A 2 lakhs, B 2 lakhs ही लिए ना, हाँ, B 2 lakhs into 12%, April to March, C inner column, $2,000 into 99, 1,98,000 to profit on cancellation. This is 20,000. Sorry, 2,000. क्यों मिस्टेक्स हो रहे इतने? 2,000. Focus, sir. Focus. 2,000. Okay. बेटा black pen mandatory, Kavita Chandak. Now, up to 31st March, you paid interest on remaining 14 lakhs. On remaining 14 lakhs. So this is the second one. 1,68,000, na? Yes. And then we are redeeming remaining debentures to bank. How much face value, beta? 14 lakhs. All debentures are redeemed. 14 lakhs, 14 lakhs. It's a balancing figure. Now there is no need to keep this general reserve. Now one important point. Yes, I forgot to tell you that. Now whole amount is transferred to general reserve because already, yes, ये तो whole amount ही general reserve को जाएगा. To general reserve, whole amount, there is no need to keep it. 1,60,000. 1,60,000, no need. Okay. ठीक है? So, general reserve 1,60,000 and I will sell by bank 2,40,000. By bank 2,40,000. Now everything. No. Now by bank we have to pass it for 2 times. ICI ने भी same किया. By bank 2 lakhs into 15%, 30,000, and again to by bank 15%. We sold it at the time of DRR investment, sold at the time of own debentures cancellation because we do not have money, and to general reserve we transfer whole amount 1,60,000. You can pass 2 separate entries. To general reserve 16 lakhs ka 10%, 1,60,000, and this is 14 lakh का 10%. ने कितना ये किया रे रिडीम कितना किया था? 2 लाख, सॉरी 2 lakhs का 10%, सेपरेटली 20,000 and 14 lakhs ka 10%, 1,40,000. So ultimately you are transferring, you can pass two separate entries. At the time of redemption, 2 lakhs ka 10% is transferred to general reserve and remaining at the time of redemption. Okay, so this is at the time of own debentures and this is at the time of redemption. So you can pass two separate entries, two general reserve, two general reserve. Two general reserve, two general reserve. Understood clearly? Easy है? अरे easy है क्या? Any difficulty till now? Yes, difficulty होगा तो बोल दीजिए. Hidden entries, hidden. Many hidden entries. Yes. Any hidden entry, beta? Okay, beta, this topic, if you do it seriously, it's not very difficult. Why students are thinking this is difficult? Because we started with redemption of debentures and debentures in previous course. It was in advanced accounts. Okay, but now they shifted it to group one accounts. And I don't think it's very difficult. Once you got the logic behind it, that 10% and 15%, you don't have to keep it in your books of accounts. That's why we are canceling it. So it's very simple question, beta. Don't worry. Please solve these questions again and again. तो ये आपके बहुत simple questions है और आप ये सबको बहुत अच्छे से समझ लेना. So this is how you have to complete your question. Okay. So easy है एकदम. ज्यादा लोड मत लीजिए ये क्वेश्चन का. वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस बेटा. प्रैक्टिस के बिना तो नहीं हो सकता है. चलिए, सो विल टेक अ ब्रेक. ब्रेक के बाद वापस मिलते हैं. सो नाउ ब्रेक इज अप टू 8:10, 8:15 तक ब्रेक ले लीजिए. 8:15. आज 15 मिनट का ब्रेक लीजिए. थोड़ा चाय पी के आता हूँ और फ्रेश होके आता हूँ. सो 15 मिनट का ब्रेक ले लीजिए. सो विल मीट एट 8:15. द ब्रेक वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व प्रीवियस एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस. ब्रेक ले लीजिए. Welcome back once again. So now we are here to see past examination questions. Yes, beta Priyanka, we have to balance interest. I forgot to balance interest column. So in interest by P and L, yes, beta. Interest beta by P and L 168 plus 24 that we have to transfer it. Okay. Yes, by interest को P and L में डाल देंगे. We have to balance that column also. चलिए. So now, but I know it's very hectic for you. Account subject hectic इसलिए जा रहा है क्योंकि you have to watch post recorded sessions, then you have to solve your all illustrations of study material, then you have to try your TYK questions, after that past examination questions. But remember, if you are doing two subjects daily, then beta you do not have any other option. So daily basis पे आपको ये subject का homework करना ही पड़ेगा. Classes is of only 2.5 hours. Self-study is almost 6.5 hours. And evening again classes of 2.5 hours. So it's my request to all of you, though you are finding it's difficult how to manage your study, but better in CA course, your mentor will help you only for 30%. 70% is your own hard work. Okay. So ये सब लोग करते हैं, तो आप कुछ अलग नहीं कर रहे हो. तो जो लोग कुछ पास होने के लिए देख रहे, यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस होमवर्क. ओके, यू डू नॉट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन. सर दिन भर स्टडी करते हैं, बस वो एक्सक्यूजेस मत दीजिए. डोंट गिव एक्सक्यूजेस. ठीक है. तो आप बहुत से बच्चे मुझे पूछते सर इतना कैसे होगा हमारे से. आप निगेटिव मोड में मत जाइए. यू ऑलवेज थिंक अरे 5 क्वेश्चंस हो गए, अभी 2 क्वेश्चंस बाकी है, और 3 क्वेश्चंस और 2 क्वेश्चंस, तो आपका दिन निकल जाएगा. और कितना अच्छा लाइफ है भाई बीकॉम करने वालों से, एमबीए करने वालों से. आप देखो ना, मतलब मैं अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट से एमबीए कर रहे हो तो ठीक है, बट आप समझ लो ना आपका दिन कितना बिजी रहता है. आप दिन भर स्टडी करते हो. इट्स रिक्वायर्ड इन योर स्टूडेंट लाइफ. ठीक है. चलो पास क्वेश्चंस. November 2012. But I do not have answers. You can take a screenshot now, beta. You can take a screenshot. चलो. November 2012. Himalaya Limited. Can you tell me these questions? कितने marks के लिए? तो 8 marks. So timing required for this. Which are difficult one? So can you give me list difficult question? Any one of you जो difficult list में आता है? Yes. Himalaya Limited rupees 10 lakhs, 8% debentures of 100 each as on 31st March 2011. The company purchased these debentures from the open market, 1/7/2011, 1,000 debentures at 97. So last interest paid on 30th September and 31st March. So 31st March, मतलब April, May, June. So you can write over here 3 months. 3 months. Okay. Then next date is next day. Next date is 30th September. So in exam, you have to pass sequence. So 1/7/2011. Own debentures. How many entries? 2 entries. Then next day is 30th September 2011. Interest entry. Interest entry beta 10 lakhs minus 1 lakh. Interest entry is on 9 lakhs. Rupees 9 lakhs के ऊपर interest. Then next date is 29th 2012. Own debentures. June, na September, October, November, December, January, February. 5 months. 2 entries. Then again 31st March. Interest entry on rupees. How many debentures? 9 lakhs minus 1,80,000. On 7,20,000. Okay. So, and then transfer entry. Interest entries are also 2 entries. 2 entries. So 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 entries are there. 9 entries. Total 9 entries. So this sequence you have to follow in first 15 minutes. When you are getting 15 minutes, you can write the sequence somewhere. So you can recall these entries for 8 marks. Have you written better these 8 entries, 9 entries? So first you have to identify sequence. Okay. So own debentures की 2 entries, interest की 2 entries, own debentures again 2 entries, then interest again entry, and then transfer entry. Total 9 entries. Now I will tell you how to pass entries. Don't worry. So first you have to identify sequence. Now it's easy, beta. Own debentures entries. चलिए, सो टिकटिकी जी प्रकट हो जाइए. चलो साथ में करते. आई थिंक यू हैव हार्ड कॉपी. चलिए फास्ट. टिकटिकी जी आ चुकी है और सब स्टूडेंट्स मेरे साथ अभी ये सॉल्व करेंगे. चलिए राइट डाउन. बुक्स ऑफ हिमालय लिमिटेड. Journal entries. Format, date, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Format, draw fast, date, 1 page format, LF. चलिए 1 minute over. First entry, 1st July 2011. Own debentures account debit. Own debentures account debit. 1000 into 97 weight minus interest amount because it's a cum interest. Interest account first we will calculate. Interest is always on face value. So 1000 into 100 into 8% into how many months beta? 3 months. We already calculated 3 months. So interest is from last interest date April to June. अप्रैल टू जून ना, 1 जुलाई को लिया, सो 1000 इंटू 100, कोई तो कैलसी प्रेजेंट कर दीजिए यार, 2000 रुपीज minus 2000 from own debentures. Now I can complete it. So this is 95,000 to bank. Narrations are required or not required? Narrations are required. Being own debentures purchase. Simple narration, sweet narration. Next one. Then you have to cancel it immediately. Debentures account debit. Debentures account debit 1 lakh. To own debentures 95,000. To profit on cancellation. Okay. So here now you will calculate profit on cancellation 5,000. Being own debentures cancelled. Next, 30th September, debenture interest account debit. To debenture holders. On how many debentures, beta? We already calculated 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs. Because 1 lakh is getting cancelled. 9 lakhs into 8% for 6 months. From April to September. 8% into 6 by 12. 36,000. Being interest due. 30th September के बाद 29th Feb. Own debentures. Sorry. One entry is left. Debenture holders debit to bank 36,000. Being interest paid. Same entries we are going to pass. 29th Feb. Own debentures account debit. Own debentures account debit. No need to calculate interest now. 1,800 into 99. 1,78,200. You can write it afterwards also, no problem. Interest account debit, very important. 1,80,000 into 8% into 5 months from October to Feb. To bank 1,80,000 into 8% into, this is 6,000 I think, plus 178 200. 184 200. Being own debentures purchase being own debentures purchased, and then debentures account debit always at face value 1,80,000 to own debentures 1,78,200 to profit on cancellation 180 minus 178.2 1,800 being own debentures cancelled now 31st March interest account debit to debenture holders, interest account debit to debenture holders on how many debentures, beta? Now you left with 7,20,000, 10 lakhs minus 1 lakh minus 1,80,000, 7,20,000 into 8% into 6 by 12. 31,200 आया क्या बेटा? 31,200 मेरा कुछ गलत आया क्या? 7,20,000 into 8% divided by 2. नहीं, 28,800. 28,800 being interest due debenture holder account debit to bank being interest paid. Beta total 10 entries. Total 10 entries. 2 transfer entries. P&L account debit to interest. Yes, starting से देखो interest here I will take 2,000 plus लीजिए कैलसी पे 2,000 plus 36,000 plus interest 6,000 plus interest 28,800 72,800 being interest transferred and one more entry 72,800 and one more entry profit on cancellation to P&L account. Beta previously it was transferred to capital reserve, but as per new standard being profit on cancellation transferred. Now as per new standard, so beta आपके पास जो आंसर्स रहेंगे वो ओल्ड है. So this is a revised answer. 5,000 plus 1,800, 6,800. Ten minutes, 11 minutes, sorry. And to read this question, first 15 minutes you can use. Okay? Easy, che? Yes, you can take a screenshot if you want. इसके कोई yes, those who have not completed 10 entries, but I told you 9 entries, but there are 10 entries. Profit on cancellation also you have to cancel. Transfer. First, then better these 3 entries. Yes. I know it's not very easy, but if you do practice, it's very simple. Today is a practice day. तो आज तो डिवेंचर्स भी कंप्लीट करना है आपको, इन्वेस्टमेंट भी शुरू कर देना है। P&L to interest. ओके, इजी था। इजी था क्या रे बेटा? यस बेटा, इजी था डिफिकल्ट था? चलो, so in this question DRR entries, हम्म, बेटा लिस्टेड अनलिस्टेड इज नॉट गिवन, सो डीआरआर एंट्रीज आपको नहीं करने हैं। डीआरआर नहीं क्रिएट करेंगे। प्रियंका इज सेइंग सर एज यूजुअल यू मेड इट इजी। ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू। 12 marks only, own debentures। नहीं, यस यस दीपिका, खुद से बेटे तो लगता है नहीं आता, बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। साइकिल अभी दक्ष थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में 10 दिन ही हुए उसको, मैंने साइकिल लिया। पहले दिन बेटा इतना गिरा है कि मैं उसको दिखाऊंगा ना, पूरे हाथ उसके इधर से पूरा छिला हुआ है। तो गिरने देना, मैंने उसको एक बार भी, एक सिर्फ राउंड मारने के लिए मैंने उसको पीछे से साइकिल को हाथ लगाया रहेगा। बाद में मैंने उसको बोला 10 बार गिर, साइकिल के ब्रेक तोड़ दिए। नई साइकिल मैंने उसके हाथ में, नया साइकिल दे दिया भाई, वो तो आजकल साइकिल कितने महंगे हो गए। तो उसको गिरने के लिए रखा कि भाई जितना गिरना है वो गिर। रोया, नहीं नहीं चलाऊंगा बोला, पर दूसरे दिन पनिशमेंट करके नीचे लेके गया, मैं सिर्फ सामने खड़ा रहता था। सीख गया। पहले तो लगेगा ही ना डिफिकल्ट है, और आप भी सीखे हो इसी तरीके से। मैं लेटेस्ट आपको रीजन बता रहा हूँ कि मैंने मेरे मुझे याद है कि मेरा भाई जो है वो मुझे साइकिल पीछे से पकड़ता था, 2-2 3-3 घंटे। वो पहले पीछे से सिर्फ सपोर्ट देता था, मैंने दक्ष को एक बार भी सपोर्ट नहीं दिया। पहली बार दिया रहेगा बस उतना ही, उसको बोला चला अभी, और बेटा सीख गए वो। हाँ, साइकिल की क्वालिटी अच्छी थी मेरे टाइम पे, वो काली कलर की साइकिल आती थी, तो वो था डिफरेंस कि अभी बहुत अच्छी साइकिल्स आती है। पर आप लोग भी है ना, इससे डरो मत कि ठीक है पहली बार समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सर क्वेश्चंस, इट्स ओके। ठीक है चलो, बहुत हो गया ज्ञान, आगे जाते हैं। अभी कौन सा क्वेश्चन करवाऊं, मैं 2015 का करवाऊं? चलो मैं 2015 का करवाता हूँ। हम्म, अभी देखो, मैं 2018 का क्वेश्चन। कुछ क्वेश्चन आई हैव टू कैंसल। मैं 2015 करवाता हूँ, मैं 2018 सिमिलर क्वेश्चन, सो दिस इज सिमिलर टू विच क्वेश्चन अभी जो करवाया, नवंबर 2012, बट ओनली विच एंट्रीज यू हैव टू पास बेटा? ओनली एंट्रीज रिलेटेड टू 5 मार्क। अब आईसीआई प्लीज 5 मार्क के लिए बच्चों की जान लेगे क्या? क्या मुझे नहीं समझ में आता। अभी देखो एग्जामिनेशन डिपार्टमेंट एंड बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज डिपार्टमेंट और डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स, तो आप ये मत ब्लेम कीजिए कि बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज ने 5 मार्क के लिए क्यों दिया। वी हैव टू फॉलो ऑल इंस्ट्रक्शंस। सो सिमिलर टू नवंबर 2012, हाँ हो सकता है अभी वे 5 मार्क लगे रहेंगे, उनको सिमिलर क्वेश्चन दे तो मार्क्स भी कम होते जाते हैं, सिमिलर क्वेश्चन होगा तो। ठीक है, नवंबर 2018 का क्वेश्चन जो है, ये क्वेश्चन कैंसल करवा दीजिए। दिस क्वेश्चन हैज टू बी कैंसल। ओके, you only tell me difficult questions, huh? और कौन सा डिफिकल्ट था आप बता दीजिए। मैं 2015 का ले लेता हूं। जुलाई 21। यस, नवंबर 2013 प्लीज टेक इट। ओके, आलोक बोल रहे नवंबर 2013। आप लोगों के मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस बनवा देता हूं। यू ओनली टेल मी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस। आलोक का बोलना है नवंबर 2013। ओके, एंड अब यस, Jan 2021, July 2021। और कोई डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस? 3 क्वेश्चंस। शुभांगी saying sir there is no difficulty in this topic. Okay, no problem बेटा शुभांगी। चलिए, so we will start with, first we are going to start with May 2015 का क्वेश्चन। May 2015। देखो, these are students who want to pass in the first exam, so they are giving me a list of these questions. May 2015। Kavita is saying 9, 11, 13, 14 done by me. Very good, beta Kavita. Yes. So I will start with May 2015. 12 marks question. Tick Tiki ji. Start. First, I will explain you this May 15. Please, beta, next time, whenever you want to attend my classes, please, it's my heartiest request. You go through all these illustrations. You solve by your own. You please download these questions, answers from your गूगल। ओके, गूगल करवा दीजिए और ये डाउनलोड कीजिए, एंड देन आई विल टेल यू द करेक्ट आंसर्स बिकॉज देयर आर सम मिस्टेक्स इन दिस क्वेश्चंस। ओके, मिस्टेक्स मैं आपको बता दूंगा कहां कहां पे है। 11% 2002 इशू। बेटा व्हाट इज 2002 इशू? दिस इज ईयर 2002। 2002 का इशू है, मतलब दिस इज ईयर। क्रेडिट बैलेंस, डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन रिजर्व, क्रेडिट बैलेंस, 13.55% debentures in Sneha Limited. Now, beta, this is DRR investment. This is DRR investment. And own debentures, beta, this has debit balance. DRR also debit balance. So these are some opening balances. On 31st December 2014, so year end, 2002 के कुछ डिबेंचर्स, ओन डिबेंचर्स यू बॉट 1st Feb and 1st June. Okay. So first Feb, already you have 27 lakhs own debentures. Now first Feb is last interest is paid on 31st December. So 1 month interest. You can write over there 1 month, only January month. Last interest from December. So December 31st. So only Jan month interest you paid. Then you have 30th June interest date. Now interest date, understand, interest date beta on 30th June. Okay. Now own debentures are purchased from the open market. Now see beta, this question is not logically correct because I will tell you the reason of this question. May 2015, this question is not logically correct because we cancel own debentures immediately. So beta, please remove this question from your study material. This is a past question, May 2015. Please remove it. Why I'm telling you the reason. You can write the reason immediately. Own debentures, we cancel it immediately. So remember, if own debentures are cancelled immediately, how it will have opening balance? No, it is not having opening balance. So this question is not logically correct. So please scratch May 2015 question. Suppose in exam, this question is asked. So simply own debentures. We already done it in the TYK 3 and 4. So these are the questions you may ask in the exam. So this question is not correct logically. What is the reason? Because own debentures does not have opening balance because it is cancelled immediately. So this question is not correct logically. Okay. In past, we had such questions, but now we removed it from the study material. So 2015, you please scratch it. So you tried it. Yes, beta, it's okay. But now please try. Don't solve this question. Reason is very simple. Own debenture does not have any opening balance. Okay. And one more question is there. Sneha Limited. This is like DRR investment. ठीक है, चलो ये क्वेश्चन का लॉजिक समझ में आया कि ऐसे क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में नहीं आएंगे. सेम थिंग विद नवंबर 2018. ओके, सो ये क्वेश्चन को कैंसल कर दो. See, beta, in debentures chapter only you will find these problems, and redemption of preference shares. Otherwise, in past, so don't solve it. तो यहाँ पे मेरी जरूरत लगेगी. You will need my help. You have to understand which questions are cancelled, and for that you have to attend my sessions. No other option. Chalo, one question is there. Some students are asking me about which question? November 2013 question. November 2013. November 2013. Which question, beta, you want? Tenth question. November 2013. Better you understood which question you have to cancel? Yes. November 2013, we are going to solve. The summarized balance sheet of Entice Limited as on 31st March 2013 is given below. share capital general reserve, DRR, convertible debentures, other loans, current liability, PPE, debentures, redemption reserve, investment, okay, cash and bank balance. The debentures are due for redemption on 1st April. The terms of issue provided that they were redeemed at premium of 5%. Okay, 5% premium. So 80 lakhs. First, I will explain you plus 5%. 84 lakhs. Also confer that the debenture holders to convert their 25% holding into equity shares at predetermined price of 11.9. Okay. Balance payment is in cash. Okay. Except for debenture holders holding 12,000 debentures, rest of them exercise the option. ठीक है. See, first I will do the rough calculation. How many debentures are there? 80,000. 80,000 debentures. How much amount I have to pay? 5% premium. 105. So 80,000 into 105. I already know this amount, 84 lakhs. Out of this, 12,000 debenture holders, they have not agreed the option. So they bought the cash. They received cash. 12,000 into 105. 12 lakh 60,000. Remaining conversion, 80 minus 12. So 68,000 go for conversion. So I have to pay them 71 lakh 40,000. And how I paid them? Equity shares and cash. So 68,000, 71 lakh 40,000 into 25%. Oh, sorry, 7140 into 25%, 17 lakh 85,000 rupees. And what is 75%? 53 lakh 55,000 in cash. Okay. So number of shares, 17 lakh 85,000 divided by 17 lakh 85,000 divided by 11.9. I have to issue 1 lakh 50,000 shares. And 1 lakh 50,000 shares of rupees. Face value is rupees 10. So 15 lakhs and 0.9 is equal to 1.9 is equal to 22 lakh 85,000 is the face value, equity share capital, and this is security premium. Okay, so you can see my chart. So my cash balance is getting reduced by 12 lakhs plus 53 lakh 50,000. 53 lakh 55,000. So my cash balance 1200 plus 53 55. 65 lakh 55,000. Equity share capital 15 lakhs and security premium 2 lakh 85,000. You can take a total 6555 plus 1500 plus 285. It is tallying with something is wrong. Six five five five. Why I'm not getting the same answer? 12 lakh. Oh, 1260 tha. Sorry, it's the 12 lakh 60,000. 66 lakh 15,000. Sorry, 66 lakh 15,000 is in cash. 1500 plus 285. Yes, 84 lakhs. So I'm paying cash of 66 lakh 15,000. Equity share capital 15 lakhs and security premium 2 lakh 85,000. See, beta, I will tell you once again, 80,000 shares into 105, 84 lakhs. Out of this 12,000 and 68,000 divided 80,000 shares, 12,000 shares, they have taken cash mode, and 71 lakh 40,000 is a balancing figure. Out of this 25% and 75% in cash. So 25% divided by 11.9, 1 lakh 50,000 shares. But out of this, rupees 10 is a face value and rupees 1.9 is a security premium. So I have to show it separately. And this is how I'm getting the bifurcation, 84 lakhs. So cash balance, I will reduce it. All investments were realized 32 lakhs. Investment. So this is 30 lakhs. And I'm getting 32 lakhs minus 30 lakhs. In cash balance, I will add 32 lakhs. And 2 lakhs is my profit. 2 lakhs is my profit. Premium on redemption. So this is 80 lakhs. I want to reduce. 4 lakhs I'm paying extra. 5 rupees ke hisab se. So I will adjust it against general reserve. So 84 lakhs I have to reduce it from general reserve and debentures. Then bank balance I will reduce by bank balance kitne se reduce karunga main 66 lakh 15,000. DRR I don't want to keep it now. So minus 35 lakhs and DRR is also transferred to general reserve plus 35 lakhs. And share capital I will add it by share capital kitne se add karega 15 lakhs. And security premium I will add it by 2 lakh 85,000. Security premium you can show it here. 2 lakh 85,000. So my balance sheet 40 lakhs plus 15 lakhs, share capital 55 lakhs, 55 lakhs, 40 lakhs plus 15 lakhs, share capital 55 lakhs. General reserve you can show 5,000 plus 200 minus 400 plus 3,500. So general reserve is 83 lakhs. Security premium I will show at 2 lakh 85,000. DRR 0. Other loans 45 lakhs and 90 lakhs. So my liability side 5,500 plus 285 plus 8,300 plus 4,500 plus 9,000. So my balance sheet is tallying at 2 crore 75 lakh 85,000. Assets PPE 1 crore 50 lakhs. Debenture redemption reserve investment 0. Cash balance 4,000 plus 3,200 minus 6615. So tallies at 22 crore 75 lakhs 85,000. So my balance sheet tallies at 2 crore 75 lakh 85,000. Yes. Any difficulty in this question? 2 crore 75 lakhs 85,000. It's same as module illustration number 6. Very good, beta. नहीं बेटा, प्रणव जी ओन डिबेंचर्स को इमीडिएट कैंसिल करना पड़ता है एज पर न्यू स्टडी मटेरियल. 1,50,000 shares are issued. Very good, beta. Sir, diagram can made in exam. Yes, if you are not getting answer, it's okay. Sir, 12,60,000, why not? अरे बेटा 12,60,000 लिया ना हमने. Diagram can use in exam. Yes, beta. Jyoti. Alok is asking me, sir, how to show working in exam. Rashmi is saying, sir, understood. Okay. Sapna is saying, no, sir, now it's easy. Alok ji, how to show working in exam. Okay. So in exam, beta, if you want to write it in the diagrammatic form, it's okay because it's a working note. If you are finding working note easy, otherwise I will tell you the diagram. Calculation of amount to be paid or consideration to be paid to debenture holders. Okay. Serial number, particulars, computation, rupees. Calculation of consideration to be paid to debenture holders or amount to be paid to debenture holders. It's very simple. Roman 1. Roman 1. Number of debentures given 80,000. Options A, cash given 12,000. Options granted or options for debenture holders options, and second one equity shares 1 minus 2A 68,000. Correct? Eh? Number 3, amount to be paid to cash option holders. Capital cash option holders. Roman 2A into 105. You paid them in cash. So 12,000 into 105. 12,000 into, अरे क्या हो रहा है यार? 12,60,000. Now this is rupees. Huh? And Roman 4, amount to be paid to conversion option holders, cash option holders and conversion option holders. Roman 2B into 105. So 68,000 into 105, 71,40,000. Here only in the form of A, equity shares 71,40,000 into 25%. Now iska 25% they converted into क्या ये 17,85,000 B cash 17,40,000 minus 17,85,000 or 75% you can take 53,55,000. And Roman 5, number of equity shares to be issued Roman 4A divided by equity shares divided by 11.9 rupees per share. So number of equity shares 17 lakh 85,000 divided by 11.9. 1,50,000 shares. Share capital and security premium. 1,50,000 shares into 10 and 1,50,000 shares into 1.9. Which one is easy, diagrammatic or tabular? Two lakh 85,000. Which one is easy, beta? You can write it in this format if you want. Otherwise, go for diagrammatic format. So this is tabular format. Which one is easy, beta? Acha, Rushabh is saying, sir, diagrammatic. Sorry, tabular. रश्मि ये बहुत इजी है, अभी आप खुद से कर लो. आप एक बार वापस लेक्चर देख लेना. बैलेंस शीट यू कैन डू बाय योर ओन नाउ. So this is November 2013 question. Now come to Jan 2021. Jan 2021. I think beta this is similar to Libra Limited, na? Jan 2021. Libra same था शायद से. Same question, beta. Only 1 lakh. Here the information is 2 lakhs. Number of debentures applied 80,000. Here it is 1,50,000. Same question. What two were same? तो इसमें क्या है? Already solved, beta. Already solved. Same question. TYK2. In last session only we covered. January 2021 question is similar to. You can write over there. TYK2. Don't waste my time. If same question is there, don't waste my time. Similar to TYK2. Time लगा के solve करो ये questions. Yes. Everything is not spoon feeding format में. Okay. Next question, January 2021. We have already covered. July 21. July. November हो गया. 5 is simple. We covered these two. It's same. The same question is asked. July 21, same question once again. December 21. तो बेटा 3 times लिब्रा लिमिटेड का ही क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. इफ टाइम परमिट्स हम लोग टाइम लगा के सॉल्व करते हैं, बट ऑलमोस्ट 9:15 हो चुका है. बट देर इज नो नीड टू सॉल्व सेम क्वेश्चन. बट इफ यू टेल कि नहीं सर वी विल सॉल्व इट, सो आई विल टेल यू फॉर नवंबर 2018 का एक क्वेश्चन कर लेंगे. यस, सेम क्वेश्चन है रे, तो काय को वापस वापस करना है. कम इंटरेस्ट मीन्स इंक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट. बेटा रश्मि बैच खत्म होने को आया एंड यू आर आस्किंग मी कम इंटरेस्ट. कम इंटरेस्ट मीन्स इंक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट. बेटा आपने पिछले सेशंस देखे क्या नहीं देखे रश्मि? पिछले सेशंस तो देखो बेटा. आप मेरे साथ सॉल्विंग कर रहे हो तो टाइम लगा के सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले खुद से करना पड़ेगा बॉस. एंड नाउ डू वन थिंग बिफोर कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट सेशन ना. बिफोर कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट सेशन, yes, one important announcement I'm telling you. Important announcement is that suppose if your past examination, your past chapters are still remaining, it's okay. Now you start with fresh chapter investment. अभी आपका बैकलॉग कंप्लीट करने के पीछे मत लगिए. बैकलॉग यू कैन कंप्लीट इट आफ्टरवर्ड्स. बट नाउ टुडे फर्स्ट यू सॉल्व योर इन्वेस्टमेंट चैप्टर. इन्वेस्टमेंट के लेक्चर्स देख लो. सो ऑन फ्राइडे I will tell you the formats. I will take quick revision and remaining illustrations which I have not covered in our recorded sessions. तो मैं वो complete करवाऊंगा पिछले batch number 5. So you have to give me list. Abdul ji, it's now your duty. Remaining students who are regularly attending my classes, you have to first revise it from my investment accounts from previous session and tell me those questions which are not covered. So that we will finish it. And after that, examination questions. I'm going to upload it today. Examination questions. So Monday is the last session for investment chapter. Friday I will take, and Monday till Monday we have to finish it. Okay. 3 days, 1 chapter. 3 to 4 days, 1 chapter. चलिए. So now November 18 question. November 18. November 18 ना. नवंबर 18 में कौन सा आया था? इट्स रिमूव्ड बेटा. हाँ, नवंबर 18 क्वेश्चन प्लीज कैंसिल इट. एंड नवंबर 20 इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे नवंबर 20. यस बेटा, इट इज रिमूव्ड. मोहम्मद, इट इज रिमूव्ड. नवंबर 18, प्लीज डोंट रेफर दैट क्वेश्चन. Okay. So November 20. Last question. Sumit Limited, an unlisted company. Unlisted company, 10% DRR. You can write over there 10% DRR, 15% DRR investment. 9% debentures of 100 each. 8,000. This is similar to which question, beta? Can you tell me? 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs. Credit plus. DRR investment 1 lakh. DRR investment 50,000. Very simple question. कितने मार्क्स को आया था? 10 मार्क्स. चांदी 1,000 own debentures on 30th March 2020 at an average price of 96.5, and investments were realized at par. You are required to prepare 12% debentures DRR account. तो DRR कितना चाहिए था? 8 lakhs का 50,000 है ना. So 8 lakhs into DRR 10% minus 50,000 is already there. So you have to add it by 30,000. कितने से ऐड करना पड़ेगा? हाँ. And 8 lakhs into 15% minus 1 lakh. So 8 lakhs into 15%. तो 20,000 से इन्वेस्टमेंट और बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, 20,000 से इन्वेस्टमेंट और बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। $30,000 and $20,000. Debentures were redeemed. Full debentures were redeemed. Okay. So first thing, this is similar to TYK4. This is similar to TYK4. Sir, similar to TYK4. You want practice? एक बार solve कर दे. Similar to TYK4. चलो. So you want practice? Yes. चलो टिक टिकी जी. Students want practice. We'll do 2 questions. Yes, Mohammed, wait for some time. 2 questions. चलो मेरे साथ solve करो. First one. Yes, write down. 12% debentures account. Date. Particulars. Rupees. Date. Particulars. Rupees. After 6 lines, 7 lines, second account, DRR. In exam, write, yes, full form, full form. Debentures redemption reserve. In bracket, you can write DRR. So next time you can use shortcut now for third account because you already mentioned what is DRR. So DRR investment of 6 lines. And last account, fourth account after 6 line, own debentures account. Draw it fast. Draw it fast. Own debenture account, 5 lines. Okay. चलिए. So date particulars rupees. Date particulars rupees. First one. 1st April 19. Buy balance brought down 8 lakhs. I hope you have question in front of you. 8 lakhs. 1st April 19. बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन डीआरआर के सामने लिख दोगे 50,000. डीआरआर इन्वेस्टमेंट टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन 1 lakh. Okay. Hidden entries. Again by P&L appropriation. 8 lakhs into, you can show here 10% minus 50,000. So 30,000 to bank. $20,000 to bank. So it is 15%. So this is on 1st April only. Then own debentures, you have to cancel 96.5. 30th March, 31st March. Interest account is not asked. So we are not concerned for interest. Own debentures to bank. How many debentures, beta? 1000 into 96.5. We are not concerned for interest column. So 96,500. 31st March 20 by, on the second line, we are going to cancel it by 12% debentures, 96,500. This is a balancing figure, 96,500. So on 31st March 22, own debentures 96,500 and to profit on cancellation 1 lakh minus 96,500. So this is 3,500. Then on 31st March, beta, to general reserve 1 lakh ka 10%. So own debentures which is cancelled 10,000 and investment we will assume it is at par by bank. We sold 15% of own debentures, 15,000. This is very important. Huh? In study material, you have this. Now this is amendment. Okay. So in study material, we change this answer. But I think this is a correct answer. But I think in suggested answer, it is given different way. I will tell you what is the different way. Sorry, to bank 7 lakhs. All debentures were redeemed, na? To bank 7 lakhs. All debentures were redeemed or not redeemed. Okay, all debentures were redeemed. Okay, so to bank 7 lakhs. Okay. On 31st March, now there is no need to keep this. इधर क्या लिख रहा है भाई मैं? 31st March to general reserve, remaining balance 70,000. Now there is no need to keep this. All debentures were redeemed. 31st March 1,20,000 minus 15,000. 1,05,000 and these debentures were by bank 1,05,000. So this is a correct presentation. ICI has given you different presentation, I think, in that study material, suggested answers. Now in suggested answers, that was a mistake in 20. So this is the correct answer I have provided you. In 7 minutes, you have to complete it. हाँ, अभी suggested में two balance carried down I think है ये. So I have rectified it to bank. Suggested में ये भी two balance carried down है जो मैंने two general reserve में डाल दिया. And DRR investment by bank, ये I think by balance ये बराबर किया है 1,20,000 और own debentures correct है. So ये आपका correct answer है. More correct presentation. All debentures are redeemed. तो ये करेक्ट आंसर था. यस, एनी डिफिकल्टी बेटा? वन मोर क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. बेटा लास्ट क्वेश्चन. थोड़ी और प्रैक्टिस, और प्रैक्टिस, प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस. जैन 21 का प्रैक्टिस कर ले फटाफट फटाफट. टाइम टेकन देखते हैं. थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करनी है क्या? बस हो गया? यू ओनली टेल मी. जैन 21 एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग लेंगे दिसंबर 21. सो इफ यू नीड प्रैक्टिस तो हम लोग कर लेते हैं टाइम लगा के. यू ओनली टेल मी फास्ट. एक कर ले क्वेश्चन. आप लोग करोगे या मैं करवा दूं? चलो जल्दी से तो बोलो मुझे. मोहम्मद असलम, नवंबर 13 का क्वेश्चन जो है वो ड्रॉप कर दो. हो गया ना बेटा? नवंबर 13 हो गया. चलो नवंबर 13, इनको नाराज नहीं करते. चलो नवंबर 13. हाँ, दिस इज लाइक प्रैक्टिस सेशन. ओके चलो नवंबर 13. एम लिमिटेड रिसेंटली, एम लिमिटेड रिसेंटली, लास्ट लास्ट लास्ट, चलो चलो फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट. प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस. हाँ. एम लिमिटेड recently made a public issue debentures. The following information is available in respect of the following: 3 lakhs partly convertible debentures of face value. एक सेक ना बेटा. हाँ. So 3 lakhs partly convertible debentures were issued. Conversion 50% after 6 months. Conversion आपका 6% के बाद होगा. So date of conversion 1st June and date of allotment is 1st July. Interest on debentures is 12%. Equity shares issued for 10 each, issued at 50 rupees per share. Underwriting commission 2%, applied by 2,25,000. Interest date is 30th September and 31st March. चलो 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 चलो. ओके. एक सेकंड ना, सीक्वेंस लिख लेता हूं. हाँ, सो सीक्वेंस लिखने को कितना टाइम लगता है देखते हैं. तो सीक्वेंस सीक्वेंस सीक्वेंस. यार अब ये रिमूव ऑल होता है क्या? चलो ठीक है, सीक्वेंस लिख लेता हूं पहले. सीक्वेंस 1st June बैंक में आया डिवेंचर एप्लीकेशन. सो 2,25,000. आई विल स्टार्ट माई टाइमिंग 8 मार्क्स के लिए. 2,25,000 इंटू 100 each. सेकंड 1st July अलॉटमेंट 2,25,000. अंडर राइटर कितना लेगा? अंडर राइटर विल टेक 75,000. ओके इंटू 100. उसके बाद उधर ही कमीशन, कमीशन इज ऑलवेज ऑन. 3 lakhs इंटू 100 इंटू 2%. ये तीसरी एंट्री होगी. कमीशन के बाद 1 जून हुआ, 1 जुलाई हुआ अलॉटमेंट. हाँ अभी आएगा 30th September. ये सेटलमेंट हो जाएगा, सेटलमेंट अंडर राइटर के साथ 30th September. interest due. Okay, interest due. 30 जून ना. जुलाई अगस्त. थ्री मंथ्स का इंटरेस्ट ड्यू होएगा. 3 months का इंटरेस्ट. जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर. देन कन्वर्जन डेट. क्लोज ऑफ इशू. क्लोज ऑफ इशू इज 6 months, तो इधर कन्वर्जन हो जाएगा. 6 months मतलब जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर. जून पूरा, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर. तो 30 नवंबर. एक 12 लिख देता हूं इधर. एक 12 को कन्वर्जन. कन्वर्जन कन्वर्जन 1 करोड़ 50 लाख. और उसके बाद 31 मार्च इंटरेस्ट 2 महीने के लिए 1 करोड़ 50 लाख 2 months के लिए. और 6 months के लिए 1 करोड़ 50 लाख 3 करोड़ पे. चलो. So how many entries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 conversion entry and 7. 7 entries are there. चलो 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 चलो. Journal entries. Write down books of M Limited. Journal entries. Date. Particulars. LF. Debit rupees. Credit rupees. चलो 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 fast. Students, you have to improve your timings. Date. Particulars. LF. Debit rupees. Credit rupees. चलो 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 practice. Date. Yes. 1st June 2012. Bank account debit to debentures application 2,25,000 into 100. 2 crore 25 lakhs being application received. Sweet and simple. After one line. 1st July 2012. After one line. मेरे यहाँ पे जगह नहीं है. So debentures application account debit 2 crore 25 lakhs. Application and allotment. You can do together. Application and allotment. Underwriters account debit 75,000 into 100. 75 lakhs to 12% debentures 3 crores being allotment due. और एप्लीकेशन ड्यू भी लिख सकते हो. allotment due. On the same day, underwriting commission account debit to underwriters. This is a second entry. Being commission due 3 crores into कितना परसेंट रे? 3 crores into 2%. lakhs. 6 lakhs. 75 lakhs minus 6 lakhs we have to receive. So bank account debit to underwriter 69 lakhs. 69 lakhs. Being amount received from underwriter. Next, interest account debit to bank 3 crores into 12%. कितने मंथ्स का इंटरेस्ट था बेटा? 3 months. जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर. Three crores 9 lakhs. Next, this September, ये being interest paid 31st December, 1st December, 12% debentures account debit 1 crore 50 lakhs to equity share capital 10 rupees to security premium 40 rupees. 15 lakhs divided by 15 to 10. 30 lakhs, 1 crore 20 lakhs. Being debentures converted into equity shares. प्रैक्टिस हो रही ना बेटा? 31st March, interest account debit to bank, 1 crore 50 lakhs into 12% from कहां से कहां तक? अक्टूबर से जनवरी, 4 months, and 1 crore 50 lakhs into 12% into 6 months. Being because here conversion हुआ और ये अक्टूबर टू मार्च, और जो कन्वर्ट नहीं हुआ उनको पूरे 6 महीने का मिलेगा. Being interest paid 1 crore 50 lakhs into 12% divided by 12 into 4 is equal to 6 is equal to total कन्वर्जन को हुआ 1/12 ना. 4 महीना बराबर है ना. 15 lakhs being interest paid. सितंबर ही है ना. हाँ, being interest paid. Yes, 8 mark 10 minutes over. being interest paid 2 बार हो गया, सॉरी. करेक्ट है. Why 2 months, beta? 112 na? October, November, December, January. July, August, September, October, November, December. Why, beta? 4 months नहीं ना बेटा, 2 months. अरे सी, द डेट इज 1 May था बेटा. इधर डेट क्या है? इधर डेट क्या है? सी द डिफरेंस. डेट्स आर डिफरेंट ना. इधर 1 June है. 1 June है इधर. डेट्स आर डिफरेंट. क्लोजिंग ऑफ इशू 1 May था. 1 May is a date of closure, and here date of closure is in this question date of closure. चलो जल्दी से बताइए. 1 June है. जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर. ओके, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, नवंबर है. हाँ, 1 December है ना. फिर गलती कहाँ पे हुआ फिर? यस यस, वेट 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 वेट, गलती हुआ है. इधर लिखा था आंसर. 1 December है. सॉरी, इट्स 2 months. अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर वी हैव टू कंसिडर ना. हाँ, 1 December है. 2 months, 2 months, सॉरी. तो अमाउंट इज रॉन्ग. अमाउंट कर लेता हूं मैं. यस, इट इज 2 months. 1 crore 50 lakhs. क्या दिमाग में चल रहा था? 1 crore 50 lakhs इंटू 12% इज इक्वल टू, यस बेटा, एंड 6 इज इक्वल टू, टोटल इज 12 lakhs. रॉन्ग अमाउंट. हाँ, 2 months, यू आर करेक्ट बेटा. 12 lakhs. October, November, and October to March. Yes, now you are correct. अंडरराइटर कमीशन P&L में ट्रांसफर करो. यस यस यस, इंटरेस्ट गलत हो गया था. नाउ इंटरेस्ट इज ऑफ 2 months and 6 months. 2 months and 6 months. हाँ, आई ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्डेड. And yes, now it's correct. Yes बेटा. अच्छा, डीआरआर की एंट्री थी क्या रे इसमें? डीआरआर की एंट्री, यस, डीआरआर की एंट्री रह गई हमारी. डीआरआर इन्वेस्टमेंट टू बैंक, इट्स अ लिस्टेड कंपनी. Libra Limited is a listed company, and here it is Which question है? It's a listed company, we will assume. So DRR investment to bank, we will assume if nothing is given, we will assume it is a listed company, or you may assume unlisted company. Unlisted company, two more entries. Listed company, only one entry. P&L, only DRR investment to bank. And unlisted company, one only two entries are there. P&L appropriation to DRR and then DRR investment to bank. हाँ, एक entry हमारा रह गया. On 31st of March, we have to pass this entry. So DRR investment to bank. एक entry रह गया. वो you can pass it now because it's a, we will assume it is a listed company. DRR investment to bank. 3 lakhs into 15%. 3 crores into 15%. 45 lakhs. 45 lakhs DRR investment to bank. One more entry is there. Beta, I hope you will solve now remaining questions. So P&L को transfer कर दीजिए. Underwriting commission you can transfer it to P&L at the end. So P&L account debit to interest to underwriting commission. At the end you can pass this entry. P&L account debit to interest to underwriting commission. At the end you can pass. Otherwise it's okay. If you don't transfer entry, it's okay for this 5 marks to 8 marks question. But at least pass. This entry is important. DRR investment to bank. 15%. No, answer is wrong, beta. Answer is 3 crores. 3 crores into 15% into 50% on 1st of July. So this is the entry into 50%. So 45 lakhs and 22 lakh 50,000. So what is the amount? DRR investment to bank. One more entry is there. In scanner, it is not there, beta. In scanner, it is not there. 22 lakh 50,000 is the entry. 22 lakh 50,000. 22 lakh 50,000 is the correct answer. Okay? Chalo. So now we will stop for the day. I hope you enjoyed. In next session, we will finish remaining one. Chalo. Thank you.